Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by locating every instance of the word help and protecting your originals. Make sure to back up files or export the text before changing anything. This prevents loss. Once done, determine whether you're editing one document, a whole folder, or entries in a database. Use simple search tools that match whole words to avoid partial hits. Prepare a consistent replacement plan, empty string, alternate phrasing, or tagging so you know what will happen to each match. Now you perform the replacement carefully. Open your editor or use command line tools like grep/sed or PowerShell with whole word flags. This avoids altering words like helpful. Next, pick case handling. If uppercase matters, use case-sensitive matching, otherwise normalize to lowercase first. Then run the replace on a single sample file and inspect context to confirm no unintended changes. Once satisfied, execute the operation across the chosen scope, with backups available in case you need to revert. Finish by verifying that the removal didn't break meaning or code. Run automated checks or linters to identify syntax errors, broken links, or awkward phrasing introduced by deletions. Manually review a random sample of edited files to ensure readability and intent are preserved. If you find issues, restore the specific files from backup and reapply a refined replace rule. Troubleshooting tip: if widespread problems occur, stop further replacements and restore backups, then adjust search patterns to be more precise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.